need to know this because them people don't care about your safety.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
Guys, what's up? It's me, Cece, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you would stay, subscribe, and become a part of the Fashionceesta family. Here over on my channel, I show you how to be your baddest bitch at an affordable cost, and clearly, y'all can tell by the title of the video that this is an affordable video. Shout out to TEMU for sponsoring this video. We have yet another haul from them. You guys know I was a little about them at first because the first time I actually got something from TEMU, I paid for it with my own money through Afterpay because I did not want them to get my card. But clearly, after seeing all of those Super Bowl ads, that app got some kind of money, you know? But I wanted to show you guys all the items that were sent to me. If you guys are unaware, TEMU does have an influencer program. So if you guys are interested in signing up, if you create content, I don't remember all the criteria, but I'm sure once you guys type in that information, it will show up on the screen and let you know what all you need to do in order to be accepted. I believe it did take a little, maybe like a month or so. I can't remember exactly how long it took them to accept me, but I do remember it being a minute. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Y'all know I love to use TEMU to pour back into my business because I treat it the same way as if I were spending my own money. I don't want to review things that I know that I'm not gonna use. So I do love that about the influencer program, that they allow you to select the items that you want to review. So without further ado, let's get into it. They have some budget cuts over there too, because y'all know normally whenever I do a review, this bag says TEMU, and this time I just got like a plain white bag. So yeah, the first item that I want to show you all is a makeup brush organizer. All of my businesses pretty much have some sort of shade of pink in it, but this is the brush organizer. It was $3.79, and I don't know how well you guys can see in there. I want to use this for like whenever I travel, to have just like my own makeup brushes that I can put aside. And maybe because this is such a nice pink and I don't want to see it get dirty, this will motivate me to make sure that I am washing my brushes after every single time that I use them, or at least before I put them back in this bag. And it's pretty sturdy for $3.79. The next item that I got were these nail separators. I don't know if you guys know, but I've really been into press-ons lately. So since I've been wearing my press-ons, I don't like to get polished around my nails. I am that person at the nail salon where it's like, make sure my nails are completely full. I don't want no spaces. I don't want to be able to see the color through them, none of that. So I got these little nail things. So when you slide it on your nail, basically what it does is allow you to polish those corners without getting polished all over your fingers. And then you can just use regular acetone or like nail polish remover to clean off the polish off of the nail to skin separators, is what I'm gonna call them. Those retailed for 99 cents, and it's 26 pieces in a pack. And they do have different size numbers, so there's one that will fit every single finger. I got for my mom and I. They're waterproof travel cosmetic bags, and these were each $1.89. I have my app up here so I can make sure I tell y'all the right price. When y'all see how big this is, for $1.89, like, I'm about to start getting all of my little travel essentials from TEMU. But this is mine, and I got the cream one for my mom. I don't know why it's so hard to kind of see this color. But it's like a soft pink, the same color as like my business. But look at how deep this is and how much storage space you get for $1.89. And then it has a little handle on the side, which I just peeped today. But yeah, like this is so cute. And I call this tan. This is definitely like beige. Like you can't even see it. but this is the one that I got my mom. I'm actually gonna take her hers today. Now I will say that the threading here is not the best, but I mean it's $1.89, so I don't expect anything less. So you can see if it would stop focusing on me, it's like a little string, but you know, all you gotta do is just cut and burn that, and it's as good as new. Now this, I didn't use this even though I could have used it today, because if y'all don't know, I'm from South Carolina and we currently have the only team to come out of South Carolina completely undefeated, no blemish on our record, and take home a national championship. And you all know, anytime you go to a concert, anytime you go to anything that's honestly in an arena or stadium, they don't play that bringing no big concealed bag in there. Although I will say, and sorry, Beyonce, actually you need to know this, because them people don't care about your safety. They don't be checking bags for real. Whenever you do come, the only time they'll stop you is if you have a solid color bag. But if your bag is clear, they don't care how big it is, you can walk in there. And because I am a content creator, I be needing space for like my little selfie light, my headphones, my portable charger, and all that is not going fit in no little clear bag. So I got a big one, and it does come with a strap. This clear bag was $5.49. Honestly, out of everything that I got, this and one other thing are probably my favorite purchases. Now this other thing I got were like these little Q-tip things, and they have like the little cotton on the end of them. So I got these, so whenever I'm doing nails and if I do get something on the corners, I can just clean them up. I believe those were 69 cents. No, they were $1.19. Because I got 200 instead of the 100. Obviously, I'm a makeup artist, but I'm also an esthetician, and I mainly focus on brow work. You guys also know, I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but I have my brand, 427 Beauty, and we sell brow pomades, which are called brow potions. And I just figured, because I mainly use those on my clients, having a brush in my kit that has a spoolie at the end as well as a really sharp angled brush would be amazing. You guys know I already have some brushes like this, but none of them that are actually a 2-for-1, so can't beat that with a stick. I got a lot of these, and these retail for $1.99, and that was for 4 of them. The next thing that I got, which I can use for either nails, to store acetone, or I can use for brows, it's this little octagon mixing cup. And of course, y'all know I had to get it in pink. It was only 99 cents. There were a lot of different assorted colors of this as well. So I got this for acetone, or either whenever I'm doing brows to have something to put the brow tint in. And they had a lot of different assorted colors. Of course, y'all know I had to get pink, and this retailed for 99 cents. The next items I got, y'all already know I do not play. I try to keep everything the same with my brand. I have 3 different packs of these, and they were all different prices because they were all different quantities. So for 10 of them, I paid $1.19. For another 5-pack, I paid 99 cents. And for an 8-piece, I paid $1.99. So why the prices are so wonky when they're the same things and they're literally 1 to 2, maybe 3 at most sponges off, I don't know, but child, that's TEMU. The next 2 things that I got was something that a lot of y'all asses need. Tongue scrapers. If you do not own a tongue scraper, baby, I'm judging you. One thing about it, when y'all mouth be white, I be wanting to take a tongue scraper and just rake y'all shit. This is probably the best investment some of y'all can make. Oral hygiene is super important. The 2 tongue scrapers that I got, they retailed at $1.49, so basically for $1.50 I got 2 tongue scrapers. The next to the last items, they are LED lamps. I got one in white and one in pink, and they both retail for different prices. I don't know why, but the pink one was $1.89, and then the white one was $1.69. They're just little mini lamps. They come with a little USB port that you can charge them with. basically you plug it in and you sit your hand under it. I got 2 of them so that way I can sit both of my hands under something or both of my feet under them. And honestly, these work just as good as my LED nail lamp that I got off of Amazon. So the last item that I got for this haul was a 24 watt mini LED lamp, which is perfect for putting 1 to 2 fingers under. It does go up to 60 seconds. It does also come with a USB-C charging port. So I have been loving this. It's been curing my nails so fast. This has been probably my favorite purchase besides the nail thing and then the clear bag. Like, I was really excited to get those. That is it. I hope that this haul wasn't too long-winded. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting as always. I am coming with the beauty content because I'm gonna just go ahead and say here right now, Rare Beauty sent me something, and literally in the midst of me filming this video, which is probably why it feels a little rushed, my mama just texted me and was like, this came in the middle of the day. I'm like, let me zoom in. Who is this from? Because I be knowing when PR be coming my way because they'll send like a little email or something. I don't even remember giving Rare Beauty my address. So I'm just a little confused, but you know, I ain't gonna block what God has blessed. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up because I ain't get to my mama's house and see what they sent me. You feel me? I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for supporting me, and I will see you all in my next video.